Hi, my name is Akash Malla. I'm a technical consulting engineer for compute and hyperflex in Cisco systems. In this video, we are going to describe API requests that can be useful at contention times when certain actions on servers cannot be performed through the UI. Cisco Intersight provides a cloud-based RESTful API to manage Intersight connected targets across multiple data centers. Cisco Intersight infrastructure services include the deployment, monitoring, management, and support of physical and virtual infrastructures. For a SaaS environment, in a browser, navigate to API reference and log into your account. In the search option, search for Blade. Select Compute Blade Identities. Click on first option Get to fetch complete domain Blade details. To get specific blades detail, please apply the filter as shown. In the API reference guide, it is useful to review the response model tab for the proper syntax and all the supported actions that can be used in the payload of a call. Let's take an example of React task. In the earlier step, we have captured the MOID, which we will be using now to re-acknowledge the blade. Here, we can see the execution flow of the blade discovery. Similarly, following admin actions can be performed using the REST client. We can use decommission, recommission, remove, replace, etc. using the REST client. Thank you for watching this video.